ADR5041ARTZ REEL7 is a precision voltage reference IC manufactured by Analog Devices. It is designed to provide a stable and accurate voltage reference for applications requiring high-precision voltage regulation. The ARTZ in the part number indicates the package type, which is a small outline integrated circuit SOT23 package. The REEL7 indicates the packaging option, which is a tape and reel packaging suitable for automated assembly processes. The ADR5041ARTZ REEL7 offers exceptional initial accuracy, low output noise, and excellent long-term stability. It finds applications in various fields like industrial instrumentation, medical devices, data acquisition systems, and precision measurement equipment, where consistent and accurate voltage references are crucial. Its compact size and reliable performance make it an ideal choice for projects demanding precise voltage references.